Hey babes, if you guys want to see how I got this look on this hair from BestLaceWigs, just keep on watching this video, girl. Hey girl, as I said, this video is sponsored by BestLaceWigs. They sent me this beautiful ginger 20-inch wig, you guys. It is a lace front wig, and I feel like it's perfect for the season, y'all. 'Tis the season. Like, what other time would you really wear a ginger wig? Like, this is the perfect time to get it, girl. So I went ahead and put some foundation inside the lace. I did not bleach the knots on this wig, but I did pluck the frontal a little bit. So this is what the lace looks like. The only thing I don't like about the inside of the lace front is that on the side where I was just showing you guys, you only get about 2 inches of lace right there. So that is the only thing I would say that I didn't like about this wig, but other than that, I love the way that this wig turned out. So I'm gonna go ahead and start my install process and hot comb my hairline back. By now, y'all know how I do my quick and easy install, so I'm taking my 𝐃𝐿 spray, pulling out my baby hairs, and I'm doing light sprays of the 𝐃𝐿 spray and blow drying in sections. I will say that this wig was super easy to install. I feel like it's the color. It just blended in with my skin so well. It literally took me like 15 minutes to do this entire install, like from start to finish. I feel like it was super easy to work with this wig. Now I'm gonna go ahead to my baby hairs, and I'm gonna just do my baby hairs, you guys. Y'all know, just a little swoop here, a little swoop there with my edge control brush. After I do my baby hairs, I'm gonna go ahead and do like my final spray of my 𝐃𝐿 spray on my hairline, just to keep everything secure and in place, you know. So I went ahead and did that. Make sure I combed my hairline out so that it doesn't get like all stiff and stuff, and I'm just making sure that the wig is laid. Now I'm gonna hot comb my hair in sections. I didn't do too much just because this is a curly wig or a wavy wig, so it didn't have to be super flat, but I definitely did want to make sure that it was laying flat. So after I make sure that my wig is laying down, I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my handy dandy spray bottle, girl, and I'm going to spray this hair. This is a deep wave texture, so once it's combed through and stuff, you really can't see the texture, but once it's wet and you get product and stuff in there, the texture is super pretty. So y'all gonna see when I first start spraying it, which in the spray bottle it's only water, y'all gonna be able to see the texture a lot more. I am going to put a little bit of gel in there just to keep that texture, because if you don't put any product in there, it's going to end up becoming like this fluffy, really pretty look. But I wanted to make sure that my curls were defined. So as y'all can see, I'm just spraying with the spray bottle. This hair did get a little bit of shedding, so I'm about to show y'all, boom, right here how much shedding I got. It wasn't too bad, and like I said, this is a deep wave texture. After I got my hair all saturated, I'm gonna go in with this gel. I don't always use this gel, but I feel like this gel was perfect for this texture because it's gonna keep the curls in place without making them hard and crunchy. So I just went ahead and went in with this gel, and I kind of scrunched it throughout my whole hair. I didn't put a whole lot. The amount that I showed you guys, I used that on my entire head. I kind of just worked it through my curls and scrunched it just to get a little bit more definition on the curls, and that was pretty much it, y'all. So this hair was super easy to work with. Make sure you guys check out Best Lace Wigs in the description box down below. Make sure y'all check the description box for coupon codes, because girl, you know it is the holiday season and they having these Black Friday sales left and right, okay? Yes, girl, this wig came out super cute. I loved this hair. I got so many compliments on this hair, and people were saying it complimented my skin, and I just love the hair so much. I feel like it looks really cute and effortless, and it didn't take long to install at all. That's the one thing I love about curly textures. So all the links for this hair will be in the description box down below. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.